like. If we hit the button below the on and off, you're looking for a single, double, triple, 4-tier island light, a lighting fixture with bubble and crystals. Let's check the product out, show you how nicely packaged it is. Protected by styrofoam. You have an installations diagram on top, the front face cover, the sockets for the crystals and balls and bulbs, and hardware. The glass-like tubes and the crystal balls. This kit contains 4 acrylic tubes, acrylic crystals, your screws, your anchors, and your wire nuts, with a glove that you will keep fingerprints off of everything that will fit a nice sized hand. You're going to have a little assembly required. You're going to untwist the wire wrap. You have the electric cord that you're going to basically unwrap. You're going to slide in the tube, but before you do so, you're going to take the light socket, the screw, and screw in. Then you're going to slide down and take a screw. Do your best to match the hole up. Screw in and lock into place. There's no need for a screwdriver, just lock down. On the fixture, you got the large nuts. Simply unscrew, lift up. You have a remote control inside, put to the side, and lock down your plate where you want to put your light fixture. For our demonstration purposes, we have our AC off and a location where we want to place our fixture either way, like so. Inside the fixture, you can pull, take the cords, and adjust accordingly to the heights you like your fixture. Secure all 4 corners with the anchors and screws. And you're happy with the height of your chandelier, your 4-tier light fixtures, you're ready to go. If you need to adjust and lower, you can pull by pushing in the pin and lowering it to the height you desire. Push in, pull. That's simple. It is best to put in the bulbs, the glass, as the last step. With the remote control, supply your own AAA batteries. We have an on and off, a high and a low, different kelvins, different settings. The remote control, off, on, dim, brightness, warm to cool Kelvin, going through the modes of warm to cool Kelvin and low light. To go to the low light, night light, just hit it once. We're going to turn the unit on, shut the lights on top off. We're going to dim down the unit. We're going to increase the unit. We're going to cycle from warm Kelvin to cool Kelvin, 3,000 to 6,000 plus. We're going to cycle down from the opposite way. And then we're going to hit the mode button to go through the settings. That is night light. And back to the normal. To get to night light, just hit the night light button once. You're on night light. You can increase the light from night light. And you could change the kelvins by hitting the kelvins. The lights give a throw for a kitchen island, for a hallway, a tall ceiling. They are adjustable by grabbing the little slider pins on top to bring them down to any heights you want. And they go down to about a good 3 feet. If you're happy with the height, you're all set. If you want to raise the height, you must take everything down and lift up again. I hope you enjoy this 4-tier light fixture, bubble crystal lights. They come in different tiers, different makes and models. This is your light fixture. Enjoy. I hope this product may be something that you are after in a lighting fixture. Thank you for viewing.